Hi everyone, this is Nicole with the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the mountain climber, which is a cardio exercise, and this exercise comes from your ACE home-based maintenance program. Before we get started, I just want to make sure that you've checked out the disclaimer that's up on the web. And if you have any questions, you're always welcome to email us at ace@ucalgary.ca. So I'm going to demonstrate this exercise, and then I'm going to give a modification to make it a little bit easier and a little bit harder. So the purpose of this exercise is to work on getting our heart rate up and a bit of cardio burst throughout the program. So for this one, we're going to be starting in a plank position. You can choose the level that you would like to start at. I'm going to start on the chair right here. It's kind of a medium level here. And I want you to set up in a perfect plank, so relax those shoulders down, pull that belly into the low back to keep it nice and flat, and make sure your core is engaged. So we're going to start by driving our knee in towards the chest and the chair here. To make it a bit more of a cardio focus, I want you to pick up the pace and try to get those arms and those legs moving nice and quick. To make it a bit easier, if that feels like it's a bit too hard, you can come onto a wall and start in that exact same position here. Core is engaged, shoulders are relaxed down, and then start driving those knees in up to the chest there. If you are up for an added challenge and you think you have it in you, you can do this exercise from a high plank position on the mat as well. So starting in that nice strong plank position here, belly is engaged, and then driving those knees in nice and quick. And that's your mountain climber.